In this video, I'll show you how to add dirt to this man's face with the new PaintX plugin from Coremelt. I'll find the Tracked Paint plugin in the C2 PaintX category and then apply it to the clip. I'll press the Open Editor button for the full screen interface and make sure I'm at the start of the clip. I'll select the color brush from the tool panel at the top, then change the size and softness of the brush. Now, I want to choose a color which is going to be dirt, so I'll use the System Eyedropper to sample a color from the image. And then just paint on his forehead, like this. Obviously, that doesn't look very good yet, but I can certainly change the characteristics of any brush stroke that I've added. I can change the size and softness, and I can also change the blend mode. Each paint stroke has its own blend mode, and switching to the difference blend mode here means that the color brush changes the area that's painted rather than replacing it. The color of the brush can be changed here to get a more realistic effect. You can use this eyedropper or the sliders in the color picker to change the color as you wish, but just note that because it's using the difference blend mode, the results aren't necessarily straightforward, and you might have to experiment a little. Still, I'm happy with how this looks compared to the other dirt on his forehead, so I'm going to close the color picker now. I'll track forward using this button here. Now I can save changes and see that the effect is applied to the clip in the timeline. Keep watching the next videos for more tips. PaintX is available now from Coremelt.com and there's a free trial too. Thanks for watching.